Hey Boston, three-family alert here. As so many of you guys know, multifamily dwellings are in such high demand in our marketplace. Developers want them, investors want them, end user homeowners want them to help cover that little bit of extra cushion to help pay the mortgage. We have a coming soon that'll be on in about a week. If you have any interest in this three-family, please reach out to me right away. If you know somebody else who has interest, have them get in touch with me. I'll be happy to get you up to speed on everything that's going on with this great property. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.